जीवन विजयशील बनते. In this video I am going to explain you about bacteria. So please subscribe my channel, like it, share this video as much as possible, comment it, and let's start. So today we are going to learn about microorganisms. Can you guess what is this picture of? I think you may heard of it or or seen it by microscope. Okay, so this is an bacteria. So see some pictures of bacteria. The bacteria looks like this. So what are bacteria? This question everyone should be getting when I show you the pictures. Bacteria are the simplest of creatures that are considered as alive. The bacteria are alive and considered as alive. Where are the bacteria present? This question everyone should get. Even I was getting when I was learning about bacteria. So they are on your hand, inside you, also in your bread, etc. So see, where are the bacteria living? Why can't you see bacteria? When I answered the last question, you may have a question that why can't we see the bacteria? You can see bacteria but help of microscope. As I tell you in the starting of video that you can see bacteria by microscopes, and some have also seen the by microscope who are seeing this video. So you can see bacteria by microscope. Now one more question is there. How does microscope looks? So I am showing you the picture of microscope. Picture of microscope. See this. This is an microscope. You can see the bacteria, other microorganism by it. So at the last, thank you.